After encountering the cloud save error 2026 in Baldur's Gate 3, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem efficiently. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause issues with cloud saves. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Baldur's Gate 3 completely and restart it. This can refresh the connection to the cloud save service and may resolve temporary glitches. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam, go to your game library, right-click on Baldur's Gate 3, select Properties, then go to the Local Files tab and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will check for any corrupted files and repair them. Step 4. Disable cloud saves temporarily. In the game settings or your platform settings, disable cloud saves. Play the game for a bit, then re-enable cloud saves to see if the issue persists. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to the game support team. Provide them with details about the error and any troubleshooting steps you've already taken. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the cloud save error and continue your adventure in Baldur's Gate 3. Good luck!